Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show you what are the various options available for preparing VAEEE examination. I can say there are two easy options and free options available in the internet. That is, if you can use an app, a good app for preparation in Google Play or App Store, whatever it is, and you can use any website where you can find some mock tests and previous papers. That is also useful for you for your preparation. So what I find is there is one website who is providing a best app for VAEEE previous papers, and they do have same papers on their website also. So in this video I am going to show you both so that you can understand. Okay, let me quickly jump into that. Okay, you can go to Google Play and you can search for VAEEE. Okay, then you can get all these resources, right? So here this is the app which is made by Examsnet. Okay, you click on this app. Okay, and these I already installed, showing these buttons. Let me launch this app and show you how it looks. Once you launch the app, you can see this is the very easy interface, which is easy to understand. They have previous papers from 2011 to 2019. Okay, and they have some details about some of the apps they are making. Okay, which is not part of this, which is not the scope in this video. Okay, let me collapse this part. Okay, now we have all these exams. We can jump start and you can practice any exam for free. Okay, let me choose 2012 question paper. Here once you click on start, right, you can start the select test type in two modes. One is learning test, another one is full test. Learning test is a place where you can select a question and answer the question. Immediately you can see the answer and solution, whether whatever the option you selected is correct or not. Full test means you need to wait until the end of the test to see the results. Let's first start with the learning test. Okay, start. See, this interface is very beautiful. I can say I like this interface actually, and this is very easy to understand. They have questions, unanswered, and to review. These are the three options available on top. And there's a restart button. You can restart this test anytime. Okay, and once you select any option, right, you can click on immediately validate button. So it will immediately show you whether your answer is correct or not. If it is, and it can show you the solution also at the end of the question. So this is very helpful for who want to practice and understand the solution. All these questions having solutions, so it will be very helpful for you guys to practice. Okay, apart from this, right, you can mark some of the questions for review later, so that while answering, right, you may need to review later, right? You can go there and you can click on the review button so that you can see all the marked review for later questions will be available here, so you can validate these later. And also there is a timer which is showing how much time you took for answering all these questions, and here there is a count also, answered 4 of 120 questions. There is a bug button here if you want to report any bug in this answer or this question, typo, all this, any issue with this, any image is missing. This is very helpful to contact to Examsnet so that they can fix the defects. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me go back and show you the full test mode. Okay, let me go back and click on the 2013. Then let's select a full test and click start. Okay, full test also almost looks similar. There's no difference, but instead of validate button here, there's a clear selection button. Okay, so you can answer as many questions as possible you want. Okay, at any point we can submit the test. If you don't want to continue test until the end, or if you finished answering all the questions, you can click on the submit button. Then it will calculate the score in a nice graphical representation, how many correct answers, how many wrong answers, how many answers script. You can see in the correct tab, so that you can see how many answers you are correct. Okay, this wrong tab, this tab shows you how many are the wrong answers, and if anything you marked for review, like what I shown earlier, all these review questions will be shown here. Okay, immediately once you can see this test, you can click on the retake button so that you can again start practicing same exam. Okay, this is how this is very simple app and a very useful app for students who are preparing for the examination. Apart from this, if anyone don't want to use their app, or for example, if you are an iPhone user, or if you are any other operating system user, right, they have only app for Play Store. So in that case, right, you can launch their website. Their website name is examsnet.com. Just you click on that. Okay, this is always available in any of the browser in your phone, and that website also looks very easy to understand, and interface is almost same like what you can see in the app. Here you need to find where is that VAEEE examination. VAEEE is generally engineering exam, right? So you can go to engineering topic and find where it is. Okay, this is the VAEEE previous papers. Okay, click, there are some ads because this website, right, you can see the ads also. Okay, now here these are the exams available from 2011 to 2019. I think almost 1 2 3, yeah, total 9 exams, right? These are the 9 exams. Okay, here also you can practice in the similar way. Start learning test and start full test, and it almost works like app. There is no difference. Just the user interface looks somewhat difficult for who are, because in app you can feel it's very smooth. Here it looks very different, that's all. Other than that, everything is same, so it can be practiced. And if you want to practice in a laptop or computer, this will be very useful, because this can be seen in a very bigger on a bigger screen, so it will be very helpful. Okay, so like this we can practice all these tests for unlimited number of times, and this website is very helpful for students who are preparing for VAEEE exams. Hope this video is helpful for all of you, and start practicing. Thank you for watching my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.